Hey Tom, Mark Webb, Burton Chevrolet. Here's our 2018 Z71 Crew Cab Silverado in graphite metallic, brand new tires, fog lamps, does have the rain guards on it. Tires are like brand new. A lot of tread left on them. Does have the power sliding rear window with the rear park assist and the backup camera. And this 2018 Silverado Crew Cab has roughly about 39,925 miles. Power mirrors, windows, locks, and rear doors. Built-in factory brake controller. Heated cloth seats. All-weather floor mats. Backup camera. Home garage door openers. Again, this does have 39,925 for miles. Nice clean truck. Again, this is Mark Webb, Burton Chevrolet. If you have any questions, you can always call me, 608-879-2973. Again, 608-879-2973. Mark Webb, Burton Chevrolet.